How to fulfill an order using SME Chain platform. This involves creating a catalog, receiving orders, and fulfilling orders. First, log in into your SME Chain account. Enter the username and password and sign in. This is your dashboard. Click the options button and open the inventory. To add a new item, click on the add item button. Enter the details of your item. Let's say garlic. Choose an image if needed and press on create button. Your item has been created. To create the catalog, select the items that you would want in your catalog. Enter the catalog name, apartment name, dash the date. Catalog heading, the apartment name again. You may use Make Mobile mandatory if you want your customer to place an order using the mobile phone. Click on the create option to create the catalog. Your catalog has been created. Open the catalog tab to view all the catalogs that has been created. Here the catalogs can be enabled and disabled. So let us enable our catalog now. And let us check the link now. You can find that the link has all the items that you put in the catalog. Now let's go back and try disabling the catalog. So when the catalog is disabled, your customer is not able to see any data. You can also edit the catalog. You can edit the prices and update it. Let us place a few sample orders now. This will be the first order. This will be the second order. To check the summary of the order has been not packed, paid or delivered. Now let's go back. Open the options and click on fulfill orders. This shows a summary of all the orders that has been placed. Let us expand an order first. Let's say that the garlic is out of stock, so let's mark it out of stock. Let's check the customer link and see what has happened there. So when it's refreshed, you can find that it's marked the garlic has out of stock. Let's go back now. Let's say the order has been packed. So you can mark it as packed now. Let's go back to the customer link and see what's been updated. You can find that the order has been packed in the customer end also. Press the summary button to get a consolidated view of all the orders across all the apartments. Here, the orders has been combined for each item. This will help in increasing the efficiency for packing. You can also export the orders as a PDF file. Now, let's go back. You may mark the order as delivered if it has been delivered. Let's go to the customer end. When you refresh the order here, you can find that the order has been marked as delivered. The customer will also receive an SMS that the order has been delivered. You can also export all the orders using the export option as a PDF file. Now an order has been fulfilled.